Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then please share with your family and friends. Today we will talk about the upcoming IPO which is coming next week. The name is Vijaya Diagnostics Center Limited IPO. Okay, so if we talk about the company, then the company is established in 1981, and the most part of the business of this particular company is in southern part of India. Okay, the company has provide 740 routine test, 870 specialized pathology test, 220 basic tests, whereas 320 advanced radiology test. The company operational network consists of 80 diagnostic center and 11 references laboratories, which spreads in 13 cities and towns. The mostly are in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi NCR and Calcutta. Okay, if we talk about the strength of the company, then it is the largest and fastest growing diagnostic chain in southern part of the India. It is very much affordable. It has the strong technical capabilities. All the laboratories hold the national accreditation, and it has a high brand recall, driving high individual customer business. Okay, the company total asset in 2021, if we talk about, it would be 5409 million. In 2020, 4822 million, whereas in 2019 it was 4064 million. Okay, and if we talk about the profit, then in 2019 the profit was 462 million, whereas in 2020 the profit jumps to 625 million, and whereas in 2021 it jumps to 849 million. The purpose of the IPO is to achieve the benefit of share listing on the stock exchange, and to make the offer of sales, which is called OFS. Okay, if we talk about the important dates, then the opening of the date IPO particular is 1st of September, the closing date of 3rd of September. Then we talk about the price band, it would be 522 to 531 per equity share. The market lot is 28 share per lot. The listing would be on NSE as well as BSE, and there is a special employee discount of 52 rupees per share. After that, the basis of allotment date would be on 8th of September, refund initiation on 9th of September, the credit of share into your demat account would be on 13th of September, and the IPO listing date would be 14th of September. The minimum investment for one lot, which consists of 28 share, the amount you need to pay is 14,868 rupees, whereas in case of maximum, in the retail category, you can apply 13 lots in which the share would be 364 shares. The amount which you need to hold is 1,93,284 rupees. Okay, if we talk about the registrar of the company, then registrar is KFinTech. Okay, so when the allotment would come, then it would come on the KFinTech website. Okay, if we talk about the grey market premium, then currently the grey market premium is not active for this particular IPO. So by Monday we would able to see what is going on in the grey market. Okay, so I will make a separate video onto it. Okay, so this is the basic video for understanding the Vijaya Diagnostics IPO. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you so much.